you for driving your shitty Honda bike. So we're just gonna have this on in the garage, so we got some warmth. What?
How many times you gonna say that?
My Honda went by my audio.
Oh.
Now you're on my audio. We just got done with the workbench. We are gonna hook up a little heater. We got it from Harbor Freight. It's a 15,000 BTU outdoor heater. We're gonna use it indoor in the garage, probably with the door up for the most part. It does have some safety features on it. I don't know what to tell you. We're gonna hook it up and we're gonna see if it heats, right? At this point, James has been dying to. I'm gonna let him hook it up. Do it while you're smoking. It'll be great for YouTube, dog.
Oh my god, there's kids that watch your channel.
No, there's not. I see the analytics.
Hot damn.
Kids aren't gravitated to the old white trash, dude.
What I'm doing is I'm opening the heater. I'm gonna hook it up.
One eternity later.
Alright, now we got it in the garage, but as you can see, it's very well ventilated. It's on low, and you can feel the heat. So let's just go ahead and crank it up a bit. It makes some crackling and stuff while the metal is warming up. But yeah, I mean it's got real good heat. So we've kind of cleaned up the garage, and there's Jamie, and I mean it's looking better. But we have some issues. Just because it looks better doesn't mean it's actually functional, and it doesn't mean that it'll stay clean, and it just means it's not actually clean. So, a bunch of advertising and stuff over here, painting stuff. The motorcycle. Haven't been able to ride it. I was working hard last year. Barely rode this thing. The 36, we're going to clean that up and do some cool stuff with it. Got to get the Ferris in frame.
Ask not what juggernauts can do for you. What? No, I don't know, man. I'm not good with all this spot.
Alright, so today we're going to go pick up some... It's windy. It's windy. It's windy. Alright, today we're going to go pick up some wood so we can build some shelves.
Wood.
And some wood. We're going to put a shelf right there, and we're thinking one right there, and probably one over here. We're going to get rid of this shelf. We're going to salvage that shelf, but we're going to get rid of it. Okay, basically the idea there is I'd like to have a spot for everything in here and everything to be in its place. We called that 5S, like an MS location. Where's everything going to be? And it was 5S, I don't know, it was something. If you worked in a factory, tell me what dumb thing it was. Everything has a place and everything's in its place. That's all they said. Nobody could actually tell me what that meant. And I know what it is, I just can't remember. But when I was at the factory, I didn't know what it meant. And I'm like, yeah, well, what's it mean? They're like, everything has a place and everything's in its place. I'm like, I know, but what's it actually mean? Like, what's the, is it an acronym when you got letters? Yeah. What's it actually mean, dog? We might also be picking up an elliptical. I don't know. Because, like, that's all I used when I was at the, when I was going to the gym last year, and I'd like to be able to consistently do that before work. But the problem is, as I get further into the season, I get less and less sleep, and I have less and less time before work, and actually going to the gym, and you're spending an extra 45 minutes or to an hour just getting there and back and making your stop for a quick trip and this and that in the morning, you know what I mean? So if I can put one in the garage, I'll wake up and use it. If I do that, I'll feel better. Breathe again. It's what a fat boy needs. I'm just eyeballing it to make sure it's close enough. These are just going on deep braces. So they're cut at a 45 degree. And that's going to keep it from having any side to side shift. So I don't care if it looks even or cut right to measurement, because the truth is, it's for work. Now I can spend hours and hours or 30 minutes, 10 more minutes, whatever, on the project to make it right. But, bro, that's just not my style. Close to the end. A little further back. Up more. Now I'm just with you. You need to go. Hold your ass. I do it for YouTube. Hold. This one, close to 500 pounds. Yeah.